guys, what's up? It's the Gamer Bros. How you doing? Well, I'm new to this game. I don't know anything about this game. So I'm just gonna show you how I get each. Well, the first thing I know is this is like the strongest battlegrounds, but it's new. I don't know if they say that this is better than the strongest battle. But which character should I pick? I'll show you all the characters. First is Shadow Monarch. Well, if you guys don't know that I'm a noob, so I'll be learning while I'll be showing you. So here it goes. And they say that this is a destructible map. So we can destruct this place. So let's do this. First is Shadow Blade Storm. That is this. Wait, no, that's Deadly Impale. This one is Shadow Blade Storm. This one is Shadow Vanish. This one is Ruler's Authority. And now I'm trying to make a combo with this character.
Pretty good combo.
So next character is, of course, the one and only Earth Warrior or Goku. So if you guys don't know, is Earth's Warrior is Goku. Here is Kamehameha. Here is a Spirit Shot. Here is Skybreaker. Here is Dragon Throw. Well, I'm here to make a combo. Well, let me just kill this guy first so we don't waste. So now here is the combo I'm thinking of. Wait.
Explain the combo.
Well, this combo will be made by me. I did not copy this from YouTube, but I made it in YouTube. So here's the combo.
Explain it.
So it's almost every attack by it's just LB, LT, RT, RB, but in the middle of all of them is three M1s like this.
So it's one. Wait, one. What's M1?
Like this. M1, if you don't know, is punch. So here is how to do it.
Punch, punch, punch. Okay. Then one, the skill number one. Then punch, punch, punch. Okay. Then skill number 3, right?
But here is a different combo.
Okay, I'm in.
Here, well, the next character is Disgraced One or Sukuna. Well, this character I'm not into because this character is hard to use. I do not know why. But here it goes. So the first attack is Raging Pummel. That is this. Boom. The second one is Dismantle. Like this. The next one is Cleave Grasp.
Okay.
The next one is Cleave Dance. That is a counter move. So if you don't know, I am a complete noob at this game. So I'm gonna think of a combo. Because I've only got one kill like before. And I got it from ult. I died 10 times for that. So here's the combos. 1, 2, 3. Dismantle. Boom. Dash. 1, 2, 3. Down slam. Raging Pummel. Boom. Boom. Dash here. 1, 2, 3. Down slam. Cleave Grasp. Dash. Boom. 1, 2, 3. Down. Then act like you're gonna do it, but do not.
Yay.
You're Raging Pummel. And then there you go. So the next character is of course the next character is Menacing Vampire. So this character is hard to use. I've seen this character a lot. Well, my favorite character is the last character, Ghost Shinobi. Well, if you don't know, that is the newest character because there's still early access. The early access, it's not early access, but it is new. The new early access is I do not have. So here is all the moves for this character. Here is Stand Rush. Here is Stand Beatdown. Here is Throw Navarant. Here is Stingy Eyes. And here is Stand Rush. Well, if you don't know, this character I've never used. So this character is completely new to me. So here's a combo. Wait, let me just kill this guy. And here's LB Stand Rush. And here's a combo. So sorry, that is my sister. Wait.
People.
Okay.